We can do this anywhere because we have the capacity to meet over Zoom and platforms like that now, where you're actually interacting with the coaches the same way you would be if you were here in the office. You're going to have a lot of online tools as well. The social media that we offer, the private membership groups, the recipes, all of those coaching with our dietitians and things like that. So this is truly a customized program. That's the thing to remember. I mean, we're really trying to tailor this to your individual needs. And I look for your health concerns and I look for, what your goals are and what maybe are the stumbling blocks there. Are you going through menopause? Did you just have a baby? I promise you, it's the same exact care that we give to the people who are walking in this office every day that we would give people over that virtual platform. The consultation is a no pressure situation. Just will get to know you better, help you get to know me and of course this clinic and what we do here better. Is I want you to feel like you understand fully why you're struggling with your weight and how you can finally get that weight off and learn to keep it off for life. This is not meant to be, a flash in the pan weight loss program where you're just coming in, you're losing the weight, and then you're struggling, right? You're up 10 pounds and you don't know what to do about that. And you just can't seem to get yourself back on track. We're going to teach you not only how to lose the weight, but also how to maintain it for life.